Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural channel. Today I'm going to tell you all about using ginger for hair growth. So ginger tea is good for your hair growth because ginger contains an antioxidant called gingerol, and this fights like free radicals that can affect your hair and cause hair damage, damage the cells of your hair, and it can also cause hair thinning and hair loss. Ginger can be made from just cutting up the ginger. You have to peel off the ginger first, and then you chop it up, and then you boil it for some time until it kind of bubbles, and you can now put it into a cup or spray bottle and spray it into your hair. Now, one thing about ginger is also used as a hair conditioner, so you can add some essential oils in there, massage it into your scalp, and maybe after 1 hour you can rinse it out, because ginger can be quite drying if you leave it in your hair without taking the right step. Another thing about ginger is that ginger helps with dandruff, and it also helps with itchy scalps because it contains a natural anti-inflammatory and antiseptic property that will help keep your scalp healthy and scalp clean. So now I am going to go from here. I'm actually using ginger tea bag for this recipe, but I'll show you after you brew it. I'm going to show you how to use it. So this is my daughter, and today our hair has been in this stuff for a while and she's developing some dandruff. So I'm taking my ginger and I'm going to massage that into her hair. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be spraying it into her hair, so you can see the portion of her hair that is kind of dry and it's kind of flaking. But what we've been doing is twice a week we've been spraying this directly onto her scalp, and it has been helping a lot. It doesn't smell because of the way that we use it. So how do you preserve this? Well, we don't make so much. Today we made a lot for this video, but to be honest with you, we don't make so much. It doesn't take long to just brew a bag of ginger tea. So you can use ginger tea rinses in your hair. Tea rinses for hair growth is very beneficial, and the benefits of ginger is really good. Ginger is a great source of hair stimulant and scalp stimulant, because after you put it in your hair it tingles, and after you massage it into your scalp it does the work that you want it to do. Now, if you decide that you don't want to use the ginger tea, you can use other things. So after applying the ginger to our hair, I'm going to take some of our hair oil, and this is the Lock Nurturing Hair Growth Serum, and we're just going to take it and we're going to put it onto our scalp. This contains things like amla, and that actually also helps our scalp, refresh your scalp. So that is it. After we do this is all we do in terms of using ginger tea for natural hair growth. And if you guys enjoy this, you can also spray it onto the length of the hair, but always make sure you seal it in with some oil. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to comment below. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.